Hi, everyone. This week we had to do readings on behavioral learning theory. I took several psychology classes several years ago, and I do remember reading about B.F. Skinner. And he basically expanded on the theory of operant conditioning, which was originally described by Edward Thorndike in the 1900s. What I do remember about B.F. Skinner is that he had these famous Skinner boxes that were basically metal chambers with electrified bottoms. They had levers where he would train creatures like rats, and another opening where he would put in the food as rewards or reinforcement. What I find and I very interesting, and I do remember about this, is that his students from that psychology class actually trained a pig to vacuum. Now, that is something that I would like to explore more for obvious reasons. Now, if you will go here in the bottom, very bottom of my poplet, where it says variable ratio schedule, I found this very relatable. I don't know about you, but I do like to go to the casinos every once in a while. I do this with my grandma, who's 100, and she loves going to Vegas and Laughlin. And if you'll read here, it says variable ratio schedule. If you will remember, it is a schedule of reinforcement where a response is reinforced after a number of unpredictable responses. I think those few times that have been, we don't have any, let's see, way of trying to beat the system in these casinos, but it's these one response unpredictably thrown in there that has hooked us enough to keep us going back. And so, yeah, I found this very relatable. So I think Grandma and I have been trained and hooked to keep going to these casinos. Anyway, so I hope you had fun doing this poplet. I know I did. Thanks.